It's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, May 12th, and I have this beautiful new quilt to share with you. I actually had the pleasure of quilting and binding this a couple days ago, and I love how it turned out. So this is the collection of fabric that we'll be sharing with you today, and we will have kits available for this quilt as well, along with the patterns. So I wanted to let you see this first before we move over to the fabric. All right. So as you can see, that is made with a panel in the center, and I'm going to show you the panel. And then the bottom of the panel actually has a couple of little pillow panels on it, which is really nice. And of course, this is called Be the Change. So the description reads, spread a message, inspire a youngster, or warm a heart with this cheerful collection from in-house QT designer Cindy Sepp. Nothing but positivity and good vibes in this brightly colored happy ensemble. Create a quilt using the panel as a focal point surrounded by words of wisdom and lots of love. And these words are actually not represented in the quilt, so I did want to take a minute to look at those because this is my first chance checking them out as well. And these feel like smaller bolts. I think these are 10-yard bolts. So if you are appreciating this collection, you'll want to grab some before it's all gone. I know we do have several kits already cut up, so if you like the quilt I showed you, you can use that. I want to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day weekend, whether you are a mother of a human, a mother of an animal, or a mother of friends. We all deserve a weekend to spoil ourselves. And if you're still looking for something for your favorite mother, we do have gift cards available in the shop and digitally. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.